Hey guys, it's Niki Jabbour for Troy-Bilt Canada, and I want to show you a fun, easy way to grow some of your own food indoors this fall and winter. This is a quick, easy DIY, and it's great as well for kids and introducing them to some of the fun foods that they can grow inside. So what I'm growing here are shoots. You've probably heard of pea shoots, which are really delicious and fast to grow, but you can also grow other kinds of shoots. I love broccoli shoots, arugula shoots, and sunflower shoots. Look at these guys. These are beautiful sunflower shoots, as well as some speckled pea shoots. Guess how long ago I planted this little container up? 7 days. So these guys are just 1 week old. So it goes from seed to harvest very quickly. And as you can see, I don't have them planted up in a fancy container of any type. It's just an old container that we had some, fruit salad in. So there's lots of kinds of pots you can use to grow shoots. You can use a tray. Here I've got a planting tray, and it's planted up with green peas and speckled peas. And these guys as well, 7 days old. So the speckled peas are ready to harvest, and the green peas, which grow a little more densely, will be ready to harvest in another 4 or 5 days. So this does not have to be a project that you dedicate lots of time or space to. You can use pretty much any type of container. Do make sure it has some drainage holes on the bottom, and use some good quality potting mix. Plant your seeds quite densely and water them. And again, within anywhere from 5 to 7 to 14 days, depending on what kind of shoots you're growing, you'll be able to harvest these wonderful, healthful shoots. Okay, planting up shoots is really quick and easy. I've got my container here potted up with a little bit of potting mix, and it's been pre-moistened. Now I just need to take these peas, and these are green peas. And one of the secrets to planting shoots and getting a decent harvest is planting them densely. That means you pack quite a few seeds into each container. As you could probably see from the plastic container I had and the tray of pea shoots, I do put quite a bit in each pot. You have them quite close together because they're gonna grow really densely, and it'll help them support each other. There we go, and I put them nice and close. So there's lots in here now. Fill in any gaps you can with a few extra seeds so that there's no big empty spaces. There we go. And these guys, don't forget, are going to be ready to harvest in just about a week. So I just have to add a bit more soil to the top of this now, probably about 1/2 inch. Give it a good watering, put it in a nice sunny spot or under a grow light, and we're going to have beautiful green pea shoots in, well, about 7 days.